sir.
Sapnara Pathe Pathe.
Movie fine.
Sanmira.
Sanmira.
Alright, Sanmira, congratulations!
Sanmira শ্রেষ্ঠ নবাগত নায়িকা 2017 ପାଇଁ for the movie Sapanara Pathe Pathe. बहुत congratulations.
And she has started her career as a child artist. She काफी wait करते फिलहाल करो. And for this film, she has shared this much. And congratulations once again.
Congratulations Sanmira. And ମୁଁ request କରିବି madam को please ଟିକେ trophy ଟା present କରିବେ. অনুরোধ করিবে দয়াকরি সার্টিফিকেটটি প্রেজেন্ট করিবে সানমিরা को Well, thank you so much once again. Many congratulations, Sanmira. अभी तो बस ये शुरुआत है.
I'm the lead actress. So a special thanks goes to my parents, especially my mother. Thank you Susan Manisha for giving me such an opportunity and believing in me. Thank you Sitaram sir. Thank you Amlan for being such a amazing co-actor. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you Navita ma'am. Thank you Sarthak. Thank you whole team. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanmira. You have got a very sweet smile.